Hello friends, in front of me Trishika ji is sitting. She had appeared for July 21 exam and she is now a chartered accountant. Not only that, she scored 93% marks in SFM. Yes friend, 93% marks in one of the toughest course of India of World Chartered Accountancy. Scoring 93% marks in a subject is really a great achievement. She is very much interested in finance career. She wants to enter into finance. She had a good knowledge of finance. She is conceptually very strong. She knows practical of each and every concept. She knows how to buy and sell shares. She is very much efficient financially. She had a very good analytical mind, and that's why she is managed to score 93% marks in SFM. Definitely in future she will be joining a finance sector. She is thinking of joining a finance sector, and I'm sure that the company who will hire such candidate will definitely be benefited and definitely be enriched by such a candidate. Such candidates are every company's demand, and such candidate definitely will perform a much better in company practical life. So I want to ask Trishika few points which were gone in favor for you for SFM subject, few key points which other can also follow and also can score such a good marks which you have scored. 93% marks for me is 100% marks. Please let me know, please let other know few points which help you to get such a nice scoring. Please go ahead.
So first of all, I took my classes 3 years back. So when I just started with it, so I was like, it was 3 years back when I did study a lot of things. So now I had such a well prepared concept notes which you provided us. It was very well prepared that I don't have to just refer anything else. I have to just go through those notes, and I was sure that I can prepare well. I can be prepared well. So first, when I started with, as you always suggested, just go for study mat first of all what institute provides you. So I tried to cover that first of all, and I just ticked out those questions which were provided in yours material as well. So it was almost 100%, 90% was covered. For those 10% questions, I just marked them in the book, and whenever I next time revised it, I just do those marked questions and those questions which are covered in our material. So I used to revise it. I revised it 5 times, as you have always suggested us,
So
as you have
first
always
first tips
guided
for
us.
students is to revise Aditya Jain material 5 times.
Yes, sir. As you suggested us, as you
Second
mentored, and
tips.
I was very. Yes. Secondly, I would say that you should be consistent. Consistency is the key, of course. You have to be, you just cannot just 3 years back. I used to study in between as well. So consistency is the key.
Consistency.
Thirdly, I would say then do not ever think of skipping theory. Theory is really, really important because it covers almost 20 marks. 20% marks are a lot in such a big exam. So I
So
was
you
always
covered theory
focusing on
from which
theory as well.
material?
So the book you provided, the Chalisa book, I
Okay.
covered theory from that. Okay,
Okay.
and fourthly, I would say that SFM is not really, I was also scared in first that how would I cover this? It's such a big subject. But when I started going through the chapters, I just divided it. So you better just divide the subject in 3 parts or 4 parts, however you feel comfortable, so that you can cover it whole. You cannot skip anything because it's in this course you cannot really leave anything because you never know कि question paper कैसा भी it can be out of box paper like we have seen in November 20.
Sure.
So
So
that
theory is also important. You should give importance to theory. Consistency is the key. Material revision at least 5 times is must. And definitely conceptual clarity and practical knowledge. Linking everything practically will make your subject very much easier and interesting.
yeah, right.
So really, you have a great achievement. I think lifelong you will cherish this moment that you scored such a nice marks in SFM, and I'm also blessed that you have scored such a nice marks. I will definitely show your mark sheet to all my students because you have a great achievement. 93% marks is a dream come true. It seems that I've scored such marks. I'm feeling so happy. I must tell that your parents are a proud parents now. I think that you have done so good that your parents must be proud for you also. So definitely commendable. Matlab, I have no words to say. Your hard work, your
And I would like to
dedication, your
thank you as well.
determination.
So you have mentored a really, really well. I mean, I cannot do this without you. You have been a really great help. Your material has been a great, great help. The concept notes were excellent.
That's my pleasure. You are so intelligent, and my guidance definitely was good, and your hard work was definitely best. So both the combination gives you 93% marks.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Proper guidance with hard work gives you this result.
Right, right.
Thank you, Trishika. Whenever you achieve much more in your life, please let us know. I will be proud to share your achievement with my students. Sure.
Yes, sir.
I will love to see
100%.
your achievement in future also.
Yes, sir, 100%. I'll take more guidance from you.
Yeah, I want to see you in much more good position in your life, and I just have a one request. Please let us know your achievement, because I will be happy to share your achievement with my students.
Yes, sir. I'll personally come to meet you in Delhi. I have decided that I'm going to meet you very
Yeah,
soon.
it's my pleasure. I Whenever you come to Delhi, and your prize is also due. 93% marks don't come in a lush like a play. Your hard work, your dedication, your determination proves that you have really very much efficient to score 93 to 100% marks in SFM.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Trishika.